Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most amazing and intriguing stories from around the world. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most mysterious and fascinating structures on the planet, the Great Pyramid of Giza. And we're going to reveal some shocking secrets that have been hidden inside for thousands of years. Are you ready? Let's get started. The Great Pyramid of Giza is one of the oldest and largest pyramids in Egypt, and it's also one of the most studied and investigated structures in the world. But despite all the research, there are still many mysteries surrounding this massive monument. For starters, how was it built? It's estimated that it took over 20 years to construct the pyramid, and it's believed that more than 100,000 workers were involved in the project. But how did they move the massive blocks of limestone that make up the pyramid, some weighing as much as 80 tons? Some experts believe that ramps were used to transport the blocks, while others think that a more complex system of pulleys and levers was employed. But that's not all. Inside the pyramid, there are even more secrets waiting to be discovered. One of the most intriguing is the mysterious shafts that run from the burial chamber to the outside of the pyramid. These shafts have been the subject of much speculation, with some people suggesting that they were used for ventilation, while others believe that they had a religious or symbolic purpose. Another mystery surrounding the Great Pyramid is the so-called Queen's Chamber. This smaller room is located in the heart of the pyramid, and it's believed to have been created for the burial of the pharaoh's wife. But despite its name, no evidence of a queen's burial has ever been found in the chamber. So who was it really built for, and what was its purpose? And finally, there's the Great Sphinx, the massive statue that stands guard at the entrance to the pyramid. For years, researchers have been trying to unlock the secrets of this enigmatic figure. Some believe that it was built as a tribute to the pharaoh Khafre, while others think that it has a more mystical or spiritual significance. So there you have it, some of the most shocking secrets hidden inside the Great Pyramid of Giza. While we may never know all the answers, one thing is for sure: this incredible monument will continue to fascinate and inspire people for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.